Hello, Caroline here. It's the last October spread. I'm so happy and sad at the same time. Sad because I had a lot of fun painting it, and happy because I'm so excited for my November theme. I already filmed it and you will be able to see it next week. A hint to the theme is just look up. That's all. Maybe you can figure it out. And if you do have a little hunch, just comment down below and let me know. I started out with the Sakura Pigma Micron pens for the outlines, and with the Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip pen, I did the weekday numbers. After I filmed the video, I kept looking at the page and thought something was missing. So I added weekdays and week number, as well as thickened the overall outline of the illustration. A picture of the updated version will be right before the flip through. For the coloring, I used very diluted shades of the colors and blended them out and progressively darkening them. For the crystal ball, I made a swirl with a darker shade of green, and then I also thought mixing in some yellow would be nice. After that, I painted in the witch hat while blending out shadows into the lighter areas, and vice versa. I also added some gold swirls in the crystal ball. And here's the updated version after adding some more things. The question for this week is, do you prefer markers and brush pens, or watercolors, acrylics and gouache for coloring in your bullet journals? And we are at the end of the video. If you liked it, click the thumbs up button and subscribe button. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!